How to log in Aramco account online. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in login.aramco.com. Press enter. You can log into your account using the username and password. Click on the field of username. Enter your username over here. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. Select the OTP method. Click on the method that is selected right now. You can select the option for SMS or token. Click on the option of your choice. Click on the option login that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, OTP will be sent to you via the method that you selected. If you selected the option for SMS, it will be sent to the phone number registered on your account. In another interface, enter the OTP. Once you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. Like this, you can log in Aramco account online. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.